attention. Hi. How are we doing, everyone?
So sorry.
I've been a subscriber to this channel for years. You know, the first me I get featured. Well, I know if me I get featured yet. I go watch and see if this I go make it to the vlog. See me? Remember, like, comment and share. Yeah, one Shelby. Big up all the seashells.
Big up all the seashells.
You understand? Yeah, and shameless plug, I also have a YouTube.
Right.
It's called Where Will We Go? Travel content.
Right here.
Do the right thing. Link up, you understand? Yeah, subscribe me and all them things, you understand? There's also someone here, someone else here with a YouTube, but she never updates it. It still has like 2 videos.
I have 4.
So, you know?
She has all of 4.
Oh, my correction, she actually has 4. Yes, and she have a lot of views. So, you know, imagine if she would update it regularly.
Yeah, she'd have like 1 million. Last time I came here, I did a mixology class, and it just so happens that I'm here again. Do I have a problem? Do I have a drinking problem? Do I have a drinking problem? Yes. No. Don't touch. No. Stop asking questions.
If you want a count, I'd say about 68 of those.
Take shot. On the mix?
Just paint the side of your glass with the mint. This is like a paint. So yeah,
We're too much enough.
That's enough? That means you're not cooperating. How much is the 2
there are tall ships, there are small ships, there are fast ships, and there are slow ships. But the best ships are friendships. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah. So
I accidentally pressed record on this, so I guess I have to record. But I just came from like a food and drink. Like, many shares in that place at this point because I've been there like 4 times this year. Me and Lee went to a little event there. It wasn't as good as the last one that I went to, but it was okay. I'm so mad I didn't get a picture because I think my outfit eats. I feel like I'm gonna wear it again one day and take a picture because this outfit is just way too cute and I can't make it go to waist. So yeah, I'm gonna wear it again. So I just did these 2 little things in the front, left the back, kind of make sure my hair was showing here so it never looks so bad right there because it's the closure wig. I have these little circle earrings. I just left this chain on and my favorite bracelet and my guest bag from my good friend. I think she got me for my birthday. I need a couple new slippers. Yeah. I think the rest of my face is kind of okay, but my nose, I don't know why the makeup always separates on my nose and it is starting to drive me nuts. I'm gonna take this makeup off and go to bed. I have to go somewhere else tomorrow, so hopefully my outfit is as cute as this one tomorrow and I'll get a picture tomorrow. I like this little impromptu vlog because I wasn't gonna vlog anything. Y'all actually got something. So so it is the next day and I am getting ready to go to my cooking class with Shami. People are not turning off my fan. I'm really hot. I'm going to sit down and do my get ready with me now. If I have the strength to do it later when I come back, which I know is not going to happen, then I'll aim for that. I am going to fling on my wig. I'm going to try to do a mini get ready with me. Where's my phone? So it is it's 4:55 I'm supposed to be at this event at 6. I already did my brows because I know I cannot talk and do my brows at the same time. So yeah, not do that. So I have this NARS foundation. So this is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade what? Syracuse? Bitch, I don't know. Shaquille gave me this a good while ago. It's a little bit darker than me, so I normally mix it with my concealer. This one, well, it's now getting a bit darker than me. This is the Super Stay Full Coverage. They don't carry this anymore. It's in the shade 332 from Maybelline. So if you wear Fit Me, this one has the same shades as the Fit Me. So I wear 332 in Fit Me and I wear 332 in this. They're both under Maybelline. I've had it for years. And I know you're not supposed to have makeup for years, but I don't care. I'm gonna try to answer some questions while I do my face. First question that I got is, how did I get my bag back from Wet and Wild? So if you know, you know. Watch my birthday video. I went to this party called Wet and Wild and the doll bag lost. My bank card, my boyfriend's wallet with his bank card, both of our money, IDs, everything gone. This was 2 days before our supposed trip. It was supposed to be my birthday trip out the country, and everything just kind of went to shit. That ended up getting cancelled, but 3 days after I got the bag back with everything in it except obviously the money and my wax loyalty card, and my picture was missing out of my boyfriend's wallet. I don't know who out there try to goozle me or something, but please leave me alone. Somebody on the production team knew my boyfriend, and after tracking it down and hunting it down, they finally met up and I got the bag back. So that's how I got the bag back, like 3 days later, which is fine. I'm happy I got the bag back. One, I really love that bag. Okay, I don't care what one say, I really love my little bag. 2, I also had some makeup in there. And 3, honestly, I mean, I was upset that I lost the bag and my cards and everything, but at the same time I wasn't too concerned, because guess what, other things were already going wrong for this whole birthday thing, and I was having a lot of anxiety about the trip. I don't know why I didn't have so much anxiety about the trip. Like at one point I was like, do I even still want to go? If you know me, you know I plan things to the T. So when I tell you that I did not even book the activities yet, you know there's something wrong. I didn't book the activities. The only thing that was booked was the Airbnb. So the fact say all of that happened, it just felt like it was God's plan. God said, you know what, you're not ready to go on this trip. Stay your ass at home. So I called Copa and let them know, I'm not going to be on this trip. Can I have a refund or can I get some airplane credit? Ended up giving me an open ticket. So I can use it whenever I want to go wherever I want up until next year. So yeah, that's the good side about this. So I can take my time and relax and plan this properly. Let me change this battery because this one is dying. As I was saying, I think God was just telling me that I was not ready for that trip and I just needed to slow down and do the thing properly. And no, I don't have so much anxiety, even though I haven't 100% settled on a new date as yet. I'm just here, honestly. My outfits, them never got tailored. It was just a mess. My birthday was an absolute mess. But yeah, that's how I got back the bag. Everything is hunky-dory. I did manage to change my card the very next day though, because I don't play with my card. I never want nobody to go around and I tap my card, and I don't have to look at money for my card. So bright and early on my birthday, I went to the bank in the grill and I got my card changed. So yeah, that's how I got the bag back. Talk about maintaining yourself and life outside of a relationship. How you don't lose yourself. Honestly, I grew up as a very independent person. My father made sure to drill that in my head. Work for everything we have, and if you can't get it, I will get it for you. And if I can't get it for you, as in him, my father, if I can't get it for you, I'll find a way to get it for you, but don't take nothing from nobody. It was drilled into my head. That's how I grew up. I just saw it go. And I also had this thing where no matter what, I didn't want anyone to feel like they had anything over me. Cause you know them man, them love to talk about, oh, if I never for me, you would have this, Well, if I never for me, you wouldn't go yesterday. And me make sure get rich yesterday in a life that. Who? Who? I did that. I did that. Okay? And this is no hate, no shade to people that are in relationships and you actually have a good man that is getting stuff for you and buying you things and doing all these things for you without throwing it in your face. Kudos to you. I love that. But I'm not saying that I won't take that now. Let's be clear. It took me a very long time to start accepting things. Even from friends, it took me a very long time to accept gifts or small favors or anything like that, because I know how people stay and I don't want nobody come tell me say me do this for you. No, I don't want anybody to try to throw anything in my face. So I think I'm straying from the question, but yeah, I really just work for my own and I have a goal in mind, and I feel like certain things I want to get for myself so I can be able to say, you know, I really did that, and anything a man gives me is a plus. You get me? So that's just how I am. I am not wrapped up in my significant other. I have a life, so this is why a lot of times, you know, we always see me I go out with the dolly them. I try to make new friends here and there, not really, but when I do, I try to make time for them as well, build new relationships. Your partner cannot be your only friend. You need to have a life outside of that, especially if you and them are in like the same field, career choice. If it's very similar, you need something that's gonna take you away from them for a little bit. Find a hobby, get a job, do something, but you cannot itch up on that person 24/7, no breathing space. And I'm not joking, okay? We know we like to be clingy. We, as in me, I can be clingy, but at the same time, I like being alone sometimes, and we just like to do things with my friends, and I'm sure he likes to do things with his friends as too. So yeah, that's I hope that answers your question. I feel like I'm just straight all over the place with that, but yeah. Would you be interested in teaching graphic design classes? Fun fact, said once I got my new laptop, which I have, I was going to get my shit together, practice some more on all the software that I need to, and I'm just going to make a whole course. I'll just make a beginner's course to using some of the software, probably tell them how to get the software, maybe, or probably I'll just get the link and send it to y'all so y'all can, you know, do what you do. But yeah, I was thinking of doing all of that and selling it because I have a lot of knowledge here and I feel like I should share it. But we can't just give everything away for free. One-on-one classes, I'm not too sure about that because there's still so much I have to learn, and I want, when the time comes, I have a lot more to offer. I know I have a lot to offer right now, but I want a lot more to offer. So to answer your question, yes, I said rate your dream weekend experience. Pros and cons. Chill. Dream weekend. I could have enjoyed it more if things never worked out the way they did for me, and really and truly I was not prepared for dream weekend at all. In my head, I literally planned for 1.5 party, and that was Wet and Wild, and the party after that, if I was still going to be in the grade, because on my birthday was supposed to be coming back to Kingston so I could at least have a 1 day to pack and get all my stuff together for my trip. So you know, that never really worked out. I am literally surprised that I actually had outfits there. But to answer your question, if we're being really honest, I don't think I can give it a rating. And it's because, one, the first resort that I was staying, because I ended up staying at 2, the first resort that I was staying, I never got to experience it properly. And even though it wasn't like a 5-star hotel or anything, it was so nice and peaceful, and I wanted to give you guys a tour, everything. When I tell you, everything just kind of got ruined. It was just so bad. It was just so bad. And then ended up going Rio, and we never even go to the pool one time. I didn't even get to enjoy anything at all. The only part of my enjoy was morning after Wet and Wild. The one part of my the maddest party of my life, the maddest party ever. I had so much fun. Back of a rightful loss. I had so much fun at that party. It's just so sad how that night ended, and it just ruined the entire dream weekend experience. I wanted to go to Chill Pop, you know, that little icicle place. I wanted to do so many things. But all I can rate is just that party, because Monday after was boring as hell, and that was on my actual birthday, and I was supposed to go to another party that night, but I was so tired that I couldn't wake up. I just literally couldn't wake up to go to that party there. So that one did actually miss me, and then the next day I had to rush to come back to Kingston. So yeah, I can't rate it. But the party I actually went to World Vibes after Wet and Wild. I managed to still go to World Vibes, and I was just sad the whole night. I was just so sad the whole night, to be honest. But you know, my friends are like, do not stay locked up in the hotel because you have to stay home and ball. So come outside. Tell me why I'm at the party a ball. Like, glasses up on my face to hide the tears, because I didn't even wear any makeup. It was just so sad, bro. It was just so sad. But I'm happy I got to experience it. I'd love to go to another dream weekend. But God knows, I don't know if I can manage to go all of the party then. I cannot manage. Day and night, every single day, it was hard. I ended up going to four parties, I think. And I planned for 1.5. So, how'd that go? It was a vibe though. It was a vibe. Wet and Wild was a vibe. So can't bad about that. At all. The only con about Dream Weekend so far, it is very tiring. Drink up your Red Bull, get your caffeine in, make sure you plan your outfits, make sure you plan how you're gonna reach at these events. Do not go late because the parking thing is kind of stressful. I'm just so happy that I had a bus or buses to go in, or we actually have drives and we get good parking every time we went. But God no, that was very stressful. It was really, really stressful. Don't wait until the last minute when the party don't to leave, because traffic is gonna beat you and bite you. Don't be like me and walk with all your cards and your IDs and all that stuff when you're going to these events. That's stupid. That's dumb. The pros and cons, I think these are just to-dos and what not to do. Yeah, I feel like this get ready with me is so stupid. I just be chatting about a shit. Like, I don't feel like me I chat nothing with sense. How do you get over a breakup? PS, your first love. You're funny, man. Hey, you know something is a very funny set of people. I ain't never seen no set funnier than y'all. This is probably going to be the worst piece of advice that I give, but I feel like I have to hate him, or at least be emotionally checked out. I have to emotionally check out before me can finish with you. You see, if I know some still have feelings for you, there's no way I can leave. And that's just that. So, like with my ex, I was just so tired of all the crap. And even when I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this person another chance, I knew that, like, I know some I love them, but it's like, I'm so over this. Anything you do me at this point, it really don't matter. And one day you're just gonna get on my last nerves, and we're just gonna get rid of you. And that's exactly what happened. You got on my last nerves, and I just blocked him. And that was it. Like, no, hey, I'm breaking up with you. I just blocked his ass, and I moved on. That was it, and that was all. So that's probably horrible advice, but that's what I did. I feel it before me can move on, because if I'm still in love with you, you cannot get rid of me. I will be the menke, I will be the yam head, I will be the ground rooted provision. I am not coming out of your life until I hate you and I have checked out emotionally. Yeah. I mean that girl. Or just try to talk to somebody new. I never said go cheat, but shit, entertain somebody else. What are some of the things you do to avoid trauma dumping on your friends? Honestly, I'm still trying my darn hardest with this one, because it used to be really bad where every little thing would happen, I would run, go and tell my friends. Kind of have to take a step back, and I'm like, one reason why I took a step back is because I realized I was always doing the dumping. And it's not because, I don't think it's because they don't want to tell me anything, but I feel like, well, some of them explained to me, say they felt like I had a lot more going on in my life than them, so it would have kind of been adding to my plate if they told me what was going on in their life. And I was just so sad about that, because it's like, no girl, tell me what is going on in your life, because me need a distraction from what's going on in my life. I can help you with your problems, but I can't help myself with my problems. I don't want to think about it. Please tell me what's going on. I want to help you. I want to hear everything that you have to say. Like right now, rather you chat me out than me chat you out. But my friends are so comforting that I feel very comfortable to vent to them, and I think that's where it started getting too comfortable doing that. So I was just kind of thinking, well, how would I feel if every time one of my friends message me, something is just always wrong in them life, I message, I know that don't really feel good still. So I kind of just keep thinking about that every time something is going on. And for me, I kind of think about how detrimental my situation is. So if it is something life-threatening, or I feel like, oh my god, mega dead, I'm gonna tell you. But if I feel like I'm being dramatic and I just want to chat off my mouth, I will be like, you know what, Shelby, sometimes it's hard too much. And did you even ask this person how they are today before you get up and go dump all of your emotions on this person? Like, do you know if they are in the mental state to be talking about this shit right now? So when you start thinking about something there, you're a little bit more mindful and you don't really do all that, you know? Yeah. So that was my way of trying to cut down on trauma dumping on my friends. I still have a long way to go. Bear with me, my friends. I'm sorry. I'll get better. Okay? So yeah. Of these questions on what advice would you have for someone who's trying to begin their influencer journey? Honestly, I feel like everyone's influencer journey is different. You have to first figure out what type of influencer or content creator you want to be. You have to kind of know who your target audience is, or who you want your target audience to be, and you have to do a lot of research. A lot of people thrive off being alone, but it is very good to network. You don't have to do a collab with every single person. If you're going to do collabs with people who share the same views as you, who do similar content to you. If me do content about makeup and all and something, why am I gonna do a collab with somebody who is a gamer just because they're popular? That makes no sense. Go find you a makeup guru. Go find you a beauty influencer. Oh my god, it is 5:30. Why shall we just text me and tell me so she'll leave out now? I love people who are early. Love people that are early. But Shami make me feel like a late bug. It starts at 6. And mind you, on time for 6. I know that much. But my god, girl. My god. No, sir. People, I'm gonna have to hurry this up. And I just might include this in a vlog instead, because this Get Ready With Me does not deserve its own video. Okay? So, voila. People, just tell me why me and Shami got here, right, at Pegasus, where we both thought this event was gonna be held, only for me to call a guy and my dad would laugh on the phone like, Shami, where are you? Don't tell me that you're at Pegasus. Where else am I supposed to be if I that friggin' logo there by the flyer? It's a Pegasus, that's on your something. I swear. Me I go show the people because me know say other me don't.
I swear.
Me know, and
I'm
me
a smart
don't.
girl.
We're smart. We're smart.
I know.
No, me I can show you for true because I don't want to come stop with me, you know.
Tell them me for ask about 2 times and I said no man. A Pegasus it say. Pegasus it say, right?
Well, you know it's a real land.
Never really. I'm on my glasses.
You know, it just have the logo still. It never really say.
But they should have put a logo on it. Them should have just put something.
Oh no, shouldn't put the Pegasus logo bigger than phone logo. Because me go focus on the one there.
I don't mean that say which part of Pegasus we are going to have. Fuck you, moms.
But that's true. Every day I just make me stray further from God. Never really. You know what? It was stupid because they never tell you where. We don't have to play guessing
Right,
games.
it's their fault.
Yeah, fun fault.
It's not ours.
We're not dumb.
Not at all.
They're dumb. They're dumb. They're dumb. Why am I there Jamaica food and drink 2 days in a row? Them have to go give me some shares.
Hold on, this one really need to. I'll show my photo.
You can drive away. Feel like traffic?
The places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me, bro. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a come.
Bitch, what is fun?
Rescue me, take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat, tell them it's a rap.
Howdy partners, it's the next day. Yeah, I realized I'm never done to get ready with me the chit chat. I knew that was gonna happen. That's exactly why I included it in this vlog instead of making it a whole video by itself. That wasn't gonna be prosperous, you know, that wasn't gonna be a success. So I hope you guys don't mind it being in this video. Anyways, it is raining, fully raining right now. I washed my hair this morning. I'm still not gonna wear it out, it's still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna draw on my wig because me and my little blue, we're trying to go on a little lunch date. I don't know if that's going to be possible because the rain kind of do a lot. I have my little candle here. This one is from Dossier. It's from Dossier, and this is the Amber Vanilla. Love it. One night I left it burning overnight and I didn't realize. So I'm gonna wake up the next morning, saw some melted wax, and I'm like, wow, I never knew I could actually finish a candle that big. So now I'm going to need another one, but I'm going to try a different scent. I'm not sure which one I'm going to try yet. If you want to get candles from Dossier, make sure you go on their website, dossier.co, and use my code AndImShelby5. AndImShelby5 for some money off your order. You know, I had to do that little shameless plug. I was trying to wear something cute today, but that does not seem possible. So what I'm going to do is just put some jeans on and put on this long sleeve top and call it that. And I'm actually going to put on my Crocs. And I rinse up my not gonna wear. Oh, my sneakers would have been so good with this, but I'm not clean. They're so dirty. Damn! Literally all of my memory cards are giving problems. The ones that I just had in a while ago, I deleted so many stuff off of it, but it keeps on saying that the memory card is full, and I am really not understanding why. I feel like my husband will just take off everything and format it because it's driving me nuts. The one good one I have, I cannot find it, and the other one that I have, every time I put it in, it says memory card locked, and even when I unlock it, it still says that. Oh, where's my other memory card? So the one that I have in now is the one that I actually wanted to use for my drone, but I haven't been using the drone yet, so I'm just borrowing it for a little bit. Let's just hope it actually works. So I'm going to call the filmman and ask if we're still going anywhere because yeah, the rain here, it's a guan. It's a guan. It really a guan. Oh my god, I feel for sushi. A low-key, high-key feel for sushi, so that would be great too. I'm gonna call him. The doll is ready. It's probably almost 4 o'clock now. I'm hoping that it's still gonna go somewhere because I'm actually really hungry now. I'm gonna have on Crocs. Who cares? I don't. I'm gonna try to wet up my foot in a no rain right now, and the sneakers that I wanted to wear, it has blue and white on it. That would be perfect for this fit, but I'm gonna clean it off. I'm so sorry. From Zimmy sorry right now cleaning up. That's a damn shame to say out loud, but it's just the truth. It's just the truth. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Done spray. I was gonna do a floral scent, but I decided that I don't want to do a floral scent. We're gonna do grown up Sexy. And Sexy is spicy orchid from Dossier. So the top notes are cinnamon, pink pepper, and mandarin. I think the reason why I don't love it is because of cinnamon. I am not a fan of cinnamon, but the base notes, I think the base notes are what got me. So the base notes is sandalwood, vanilla, incense, and patchouli. I like all of those except incense. I'm not very familiar with that note, but anything sandalwood, anything vanilla, and patchouli, I'm getting into it, and it just smells so good. So yeah, it got me. It got me. Once again, make sure you use my code AndImShelby 5 for some money off your order. Whoa, Dossier perfume, Dossier candle. What else? What else can I get from Dossier? We'll see. Mega Gono. I think I want to take at least one Polaroid picture because I have not taken one since my actual birthday, and it was just literally lying down in bed. I haven't taken a actual picture yet, so I want to take it and see if I can get a cute little Polaroid, you know what I'm saying? Maybe call a young man because him tell me 10 minutes all long. Hey, Jamaicans don't know time. What the hell?
On morning side, got no stick in the ride.
This is busted. Spicy though. But me no babe. You don't have no spice? You know I'm gonna do this. So the cut down.
I wanna keep you on a beach till 6 a.m. so you see sunrise. Seeing you from the stage in the 100s, these must be eagle eyes.